Hello ladies, just wanted to do a quick video just to let you know what I got for Valentine's Day. So I currently am using this Neverfull bag. I like it, but it's so heavy, and it's not that it's heavy, it's just I have stuff all over, and I do like this bag, but I'm very weary with the strap, and it's just harder to I just feel like it's not as secure. The only reason why I say that is because there isn't a zip, so things can just spew out of it. So I don't really carry as much, and I'm very worried about the leather because it's the tan leather, and so like I get really worried that I'm gonna move further back so you can see. So I get really weary at the fact that maybe this will get dirty, especially on the strap here, just because I use a lot of lotion over the winter time, and now it's the winter time, so I get a little bit worried about it getting dirty. So I did a Louis Vuitton trip just this week, and I wanted to do an unboxing of my Louis Vuitton. So I wanted to show you what I got. So this is my Louis Vuitton haul, and it's a new Louis Vuitton bag. I got it through in Minnesota, the Galleria, and I wanted to show you what it is. It's still in my box, pretty box here. You guys are so lucky because I'm going to show you what's in here. Get that out. Are you guys ready to see my Valentine's Day present? Valentine's Day Louis Vuitton purse. And ta-da! Wow, it's kind of crumply. So I got a Louis Vuitton purse. Oh wow, I wish I knew that it should be folded like halfway this way. So this is like the travel collection. I think it's called Carry All or something. All in one. All in one, I believe it's called. Let me see if I have something in here that tells me. I think it's called All in One. Yes, there's a sheet here. Yep. It's All in One MM. It's called the All in One MM. Ooh. I just ruined this box. Okay. It's called the All in, I don't know, you can see here. All in One MM. And I got I saw a review on this. Honestly, there isn't a lot of review on this. But the only reason why I wanted this versus the Neverfull is, as you can see, that this is a little bit bigger, but this is also very flexible, and red handles. I thought it's really awesome that it's got red handles in it. I did get it embossed, as you can see, with my initials, and I like it because it's really flexible. That's really what I'm looking for, like this flexibility where I can just like do stuff to it and it's flexible. I definitely need to work the crease out. That makes me upset, the fact that it's so creased up. But this is the travel, that's why it had a luggage tag here. But it's, what I really like about it is the fact that there is a zip here. Let me show you. It's a zip right here. Zip. And that's why I like, because things can't fall out of there. If I'm driving and I'm braking and it just like falls out, like nothing would fall out of there. And I like that it's flexible and it's foldable. See, that's what I like about it, and I can just like carry it wherever I go. And the other thing that I really like is the fact that the red strap and the monogram variation, like it makes it pop a lot more versus like my Neverfull. It's more, you see, this definitely pops more. This definitely more blend. This definitely doesn't dirty easy. This definitely dirties easy. So but the size, this is a Neverfull GM, and this is the all-in-one MM, and they are about, I'm gonna say about the same size almost. Yeah, pretty much the same size. So if I were to, I'm just gonna put this away here. This is the cover for that. So if I were to unzip it, I just want to put this away so that I don't ruin it. So if I were to get something to stuff it in, to give you an idea of how it would look like. The other thing is, it looks like it says it's made in Spain. That's the other highlight. Can you see it? It says, I wish it would, made in Spain. The other thing is it's made in Spain versus made in US. A lot of Neverfulls are actually made in the US. I love that I have my initial on here. It's so cool, that heat stamp. That's really cool. Which I really like. So people know that that's my purse. Whatever. Maybe that's another way to put it back on. Because I want people to know that that's my purse, so I might have to do it the other way, this way. There you go. Put it. It's actually a really nice bag. It just looks different, you know what I mean? The one of the reason why I got this purse is that I'm so sick of every other person carrying a Neverfull bag on the street. Like seriously, this is the one with the pavone. But I'm so sick of people carrying like that on the street, and so I wanted something different. I really do. And I think this fits the bill. And the other thing is I don't have to worry about the wear and tear with the red leather handbag. I mean the red leather what do you call it, strap. Because I can just wear and tear, and it's perfect for summer. It doesn't bother anybody. It's, yeah, I think it's just perfect for what I need. I just wanted to show you. So I wanted to do a quick video just to show you my haul. I think I'm going to be in love with this bag just because it's very flexible. I like the fact that it's flexible. I can just carry it. It pops. It doesn't dirty easy. Purse has my initials in it. And I guess I will let you know what the wear and tear is once I use it more. But otherwise, I just wanted you to know my latest Louis Vuitton haul. Perfect. Well, if you have any questions about this purse or you're thinking about buying it, let me know. I haven't really used it yet since I just unboxed it, but I'm looking forward to sharing with you how I feel about it. So, well, if you like what you watch, please subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, guys, see you later.